Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
Welcome to Saarburg Castle.
Let's explore this together.
We start our journey towards the castle in a beautiful town. Its town charter dates back to the 13th century. The river Leukebach flows through the town and crashes down a 20 meters high waterfall, powering watermills below. These have been turning since the 14th century. The castle rises on a hill overlooking the town and is much older.
The castle was built by the Archbishop of Trier in the 10th century, which makes it one of the oldest hill castles in Germany. It would see some different owners before reverting back to the Archdiocese of Trier in the 14th century. The archbishops would go on to continuously expand the castle over the next decades.
While the castle originally covered most of the hilltop, there isn't much of it left to see these days. Parts of the castle have been transformed into a restaurant. The most prominent part of the castle today is the Romanesque residential tower with a round keep in its center. The keep was added at a later date.
When the castle was destroyed after a siege in 1431, Johann II of Baden gave the order to rebuild the fortress. He even had himself consecrated as Archbishop of Trier in the castle's chapel in 1464.
The 16th century was a troubling time in Europe in general. The castle of Saarburg would be besieged twice. After its destruction during the second siege, the castle was rebuilt once again near the end of the century. During the Spanish Succession War, French troops captured Saarburg Castle, after which the castle remained abandoned and began to decay.
Thank you for joining us here at the Castle of Saarburg. It's time for the arbitrary subjective castle score. What do you think?
I think this one deserves a 7. It's really nice that you can climb the tower up until the highest point and you got some amazing views over the River Saar.
I'm gonna go for a 6.5. Same of course, but yeah, it's kind of small all in all. Thank you so much for watching.
Like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff if you want to see more of these kind of castles.
Until next time.
Bye.